So find the derivatives of the following function f of x. The first question ax plus b by cx plus c. So derivative or differentiate with respect to r dy by dx. So ఏదన్నా same question. So derivative or dy by dx or differentiation with respect to x అన్న same meaning. So d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d. So this is form of d by dx of u by v by v square v du by dx minus u dv by dx. So next line by v square cx plus d whole square d by cx plus d by dx of ax plus b minus ax plus b d by dx of cx plus d cx plus d d by dx of cx plus d c constant x derivative 1 d is a constant d derivative 0 minus of ax plus b d by dx of cx plus d sorry ఇక్కడ a x derivative 1 constant derivative 0 c constant x derivative 1 constant derivative 0 cx plus d whole square cx plus d into a into 1 plus 0 a c into 1 c into ax plus d by cx plus d whole square c ax plus d into a dA minus c ax minus cd by cx plus d whole square plus cax minus cax cancel. What is the common? D. A minus c by cx plus d whole square. Write down. So e power 2x log of 3x plus 4. So d by dx of e power 2x into log of 3x plus 4. So what is the formula now? D by dx of uv u dv x plus v du by dx e power 2x uv d by dx of log of 3x plus 4 plus log of 3x plus 4 d by dx of e power 2x e power 2x d by dx of log f of x. So 1 by f of x 1 by d by dx of f of x log f of x. So 1 by f of x again d by dx of f of x. So 1 by 3x plus 4 d by dx of 3x plus 4 log of 3x plus 4. So d by dx of e power f of x e power f of x e power f of x d by dx of f of x. So e power 2x d by dx of 2x only 2x e power 2x by 3x plus 4, 3 constant d by dx of 3x plus 4, 3 constant x derivative 1, constant derivative 0, log of 3x plus 4 e power 2x, 2 constant x derivative 1. So 3 into 1 3 e power 2x by 3x plus 4 plus 2 e power 2x, e power 2x into 2, log of 3x plus 4. So both, what is the common now? E power 2x is common, 3 by 3x plus 4 plus 2 log of 3x plus 4. Okay, write down. Next problem. Find the derivatives of the following function from the first principle. So very important. First principle. So let f of x equal to tan 2x. The first principle formula, f dash of x is equal limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by x. So limit x tends to 0, f of x plus x is form of f of x is tan 2 of x, 2x. So tan 2x, I will write x plus x, tan 2x plus 2h. Okay, f of x plus h equal to tan 2 of h plus h. X, f of x equal to tan 2x. X replace h plus h. Tan of 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x by x. 1 by x is common. Tan 2x plus 2h minus tan 2h. Next line. So tan is right as sin by cos. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by h. So sin by cos, sin of 2h plus 2h, cos of 2h plus 2h minus sin 2h by cos 2h. So write cross multiplication. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by h. The both LCM is cos 2h plus 2h into cos 2h. So cross multiplication. Sin 2h plus 2h into cos 2h minus cos 2h plus 2h into sin 2h. So what represent formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. Okay, next I will write limit x tends to 0. Both numerator and denominator is multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2 cos 2h plus 2h cos 2h. 2 to cancel, no problem. So sin A cos B, sin of A minus B, sin 2h plus 2h minus 2h, cancel. Next line. Okay, don't use. Don't use. Sin 2h by cos 2h plus 2h cos 2h. So limit extends to 0. I will write sin 2h divided by h ఒక part. Limit extends to 0. 1 by cos 2h plus 2h cos 2h. So next I will apply it. So I will take limit extends to 0. 2 will write sin 2h by 2h. 1 by cos 2h plus h tends to 0, substitute 2 into 0 0 cos 2x. h value substitute 0. Sine లో అప్లై చేస్తే మళ్ళీ టోటల్ టర్మ్ 0 అవుతుంది, ఇస్ నాట్ కన్సిడర్. సో లిమిట్ ఎక్స్టెండ్స్ టు 0 sin ax by ax equal to 1. So 2 into 1 1 by cos square 2x. The last line 2 into 1 by cos square, write as secant square 2x. Write down. Very, very important. So let f of x equal to sin 2x. The principal formula. The first principle, f dash of x equal to limit extends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. Limit extends to 0. F of x plus h. Sin of already 2x, right, as 2h plus 2h minus sin 2h by h. Limit extends to 0. 1 by h is common. The numerator is right as sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2x plus 2x minus 2h by 2. So c value 2x plus 2h, d value 2x. Sin of 2h plus 2h plus 2h minus 2h by 2. So limit extends to 0. 1 by h 2 cos 4h plus 2h by 2 sin 2h 2 to cancel 2h by 2. So limit extends to 0. 1 by h 2 cos 2 is common, 2h plus h sin h. So limit apply. Limit extends to 0. 2 cos 2h plus h. Limit extends to 0. Sin h by h. That is the value 1. Substitute h value 0. 2 cos 2h plus 0. That is the value 1. 2 cos 2x. Write down. Next problem. So let f of x equal to cos ax. The first principle is f dash of x equal to f limit extends to 0. F of h plus h minus f of x by h. Limit extends to 0. F of cos of ax plus h minus cos ah by x. cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus sin of c minus d by 2. Substitute value. Limit extends to 0 minus 2 sin of ax plus ah by 2 sin of ah plus minus by 2 by h. So minus 2 is constant. Limit extends to 0 sin of 2 plus by 2 sin of by 2 1 by h is common. So minus 2 into limit apply sin of 2 plus by 2 limit extends to 0 sin by 2 by h. H also write as 1 by 2. So I will write h by 2 into 2. So minus 2 limit applied sin of 2 plus 0 by 2. So 1 by 2 is common. Limit extends to 0 sin by 2 by h by 2. So 2 to cancel. Minus 2 sin ah 1 by that is the value only a. Sin by a. Sin by a that is the value a. Limit extends to 0. So finally, so 2 to cancel. Minus a sin ax. Write down. Next problem. So let f of x equal to secant 3x by first principle f dash of x limit extends to 0 f of x plus x minus f of x by x limit extends to 0 f of x secant 3x 3x is replaced 3x plus 3h minus secant x by h limit extends to 0 1 by x into secant of 3x plus 3x minus secant 3x. So I will write limit extends to 0 1 by h. You will write 1 by cos 3h plus 3h 1 by cos 3x. Limit extends to 0 1 by h cross multiplication cos 3x minus of cos of 3x plus 3x by cos of 3x plus 3x cos. Limit extends to 0 1 by x cos c minus cos d formula. Same minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Okay, minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 3x plus 3h by 2 sin of 3x a minus c minus d by 2 3x minus 3h by 2. Limit extends to 0 1 by x minus 2 sin of 6x plus 3x by 2 sin of minus 3h by 2 minus into minus plus sin of minus theta minus sin theta cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Limit extends to 0 1 by h So minus minus plus 2 sine of 6x plus 3h by 2 sine of 3h by 2. So limit is applied, 2 is constant. Limit extends to 0, sine of 6x plus 3x by 2. Limit extends to 0, sine 3x by 2 by h. 2 sine 6x plus h value 0. So that is the value sin ax by x 3 by 2. A 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So 2 2 కూడా cancel, 3 sin 3x right down. So denominator is missing, sorry. Cos of 3x plus 3x cos 3x. Cos of 3x plus 3x cos 3h by cos of 3x plus 3x cos 3x. So next limit extends to 0, 2 by h sine of 6x plus 3x by 2. So 2 is constant. 2 is constant. Limit extends to 0, sine of 3x by 2 by h. Limit extends to 0, 1 by cos 3x plus 3h cos 3x. 2, not 1 by x, it's not coming. So sine of 6x plus 0 by 2. This is the value 3 by 2. Sin ax by x a. 1 by cos 3x plus 0 cos 3x. 2 sin 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 3x by 3 by 2 by cos 3x cos 3x. So the value is 2 to cancel, 3 sin 3x by cos 3x into 1 by cos 3x. 3 tan 3x secant 3x. This is the value. Write down. So 1 by cos write as secant. Next problem, x sin x. That f of x equal to x sin x by first principle. F dash of x equal to f of limit extends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. You have applied only f of x. So x sin x. X sin s, that is right as x plus sin of x plus h minus f of x, x sin x by h. So splitting the terms, limit extends to 0, x sin of x plus h plus h sin of x plus h minus h sin of h by h. So what is the common term? I will common limit extends to 0. X is common, only x is common. Sin of h plus h minus x by h. So next term plus h sin of h plus h by h, h cancel. So apply limit extends to 0, x sin of h plus h minus sin h extends to 0, sin of h plus h. Sin c minus sin d formula. 1 by h into h, h sin c minus sin d. 2 cos of c plus d h plus h by 2 sin of c minus d by 2 h plus h minus h by 2 plus sin of h plus 0. So write as limit extends to 0, 2 cos of 2h plus h by 2. Limit extends to 0, sin of h by 2 by h plus sin x. So 2 cos of 2h plus 0 by 2. So that is the formula is 1 by 2 plus sin x. 2 cancel. Cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x. X is missing. X. X cos x plus sin x. Right down. So find the derivatives of the following function: d by dx of cot n power x, d by dx of f of x whole power n into f of x whole power n minus 1, d by dx of f of x. So n into cot f of x means cot n minus 1 x, d by dx of cot x, n into cot power n minus 1 x. Cot x means cot x means cosecant square x, derivative cosecant square x. Write down. Next problem. So minus cosecant square x. Write down. Next problem. So next derivative d by dx of tan e power x. So formula d by dx of tan f of x. So secant square f of x, d by dx of f of x. Secant square f of x value e power x, d by dx of e power x. Secant square e power x, e power x derivative e power x. Okay, write down. Next problem. So 1 minus cos 2a formula, 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos 2a formula, 2 cos square a. d by dx of 2 sin square x by 2 cos square x. 2 to cancel. d by dx of tan square x same. d by dx of x power n formula, n into x power n minus x replace tan x. So n into 2 tan power 2 minus 1 x, d by dx of again tan x. So 2 tan power 1 x, tan x derivative secant square x. Right down. So next uv form, d by dx of uv, x tan inverse x, u dv by dx plus v du by dx, x into d by dx of tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, d by dx of x, tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x, x derivative 1, x derivative 1, x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. Right up. So next d by dx of log tan phi x. So formula d by dx of log f of x. Log f of x derivative 1 by f of x d by dx of f of x. 1 by tan phi x d by dx of tan phi x. మళ్ళీ tan f of x ఫామ్ లో ఉంది. సో tan f of x డెరివేటివ్ secant square x అంటే secant square phi x d by d phi x. సో secant square phi x by 1 minute 1 by tan cot phi x secant square phi x into 1. So you will write cos by sin, no problem. Cos phi x by sin phi x into 1 by cos square phi x into 5. Cos phi x cancel. 5 by sin phi x cos phi x. I will write 2 by 2. 5 jar 10 by 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a. 2 into phi x. 10 by sin 10x. I will write 10 cosecant 10x. Okay, write down. So d by dx of cos of log x plus e power x. D by dx of cos f of x. So minus sin f of x d by dx of f of x minus sin log x plus e power x d by dx of log x plus e power x minus sin log x plus e power x. Log x derivative 1 by x, e power x derivative e power x. Finally, this is a right answer. Write down. Next problem. So d by dx of e power sin inverse x is form of e power f of x. E power f of x again d by dx of f of x. So e power sin inverse x d by dx of e sin inverse x. Sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square. E power sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. Right down. Next problem.